Hello, everybody. It is me, Austin here.
General quarters.
Just shut up. We're back on battleships, and I'm back with the old, the first ship you start out with. And,
let's give them a hard time.
And, yeah, I'm back with the, old ship here, and we're gonna have some fun. Now, I have been, playing, like, 4 or 5 battles off camera, getting the hang of it and all that. And so far, I've been doing real good. So, this thing can fire 3 to 4 shots in a row. That's if you're, like, sideways like this. So that's our strategy now. We're trying to pull beside someone and just flare our guns, okay? We're gonna keep going forward. No, let's screw that. Nope, never mind. Turn. Yeah, boy. That's short. Just wanted to see. That's so high. Maybe, and yes. Woo! Yeah! Screw you, you chew. Yep, perfect. Uh-oh. Oh, that was too high. No, let's turn. Let's turn ourselves. Yeah, like that. Will you get out of the way? Oh, I hit him. Yes! Three of them. Busy. Yes!
Enemy cruiser foundered.
Keeping her lit. Tater chip. Come on, baby, pull forward. Let's go. How far are we lit?
Victory is in sight.
Oh, yep. That was quick. Hey! I sunk too! Ow, that hurt. If you're wondering why I said, ow, that hurt. I was, doing the dishes at, like, I think 1 o'clock today. My voice broke. 10 o'clock today. And, you know what happens when glass gets wet and you drop it? Yeah. I dropped a glass and it cut my hand in 2 different places. And I was like, crap, 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 crap. And then I washed it out like 4 or 5 times, put 3 new band-aids on it, Then I went down and told my stepdad, and then it hasn't hurt anytime soon. So I could take the band-aid off if I wanted to, but no. Let's go, boy. They added weather now, so it was raining a couple battles ago. So our new strategy is to go sideways. That's our new strategy. That's we're gonna go like that. I would pull up comments, but I haven't had any comments on my videos yet, so I wouldn't be doing that comment reading right now.
Action stations.
I'm thinking about getting Sims 4 so we can start a new series. What are you doing there, Wildcatter? So anytime we see a ship in range, we're gonna go sideways and just bomb them. I love hitting number 11, F11.
Dash it all. Hang in there. Help is on the way.
Dash it all. I want to get a bigger ship, a newer and bigger ship. I don't want to get rid of this ship. I'm going to use it a lot now. It's German, yes. It's America. Nothing to do. Wait for the ships come near, boy. Ooh. Look at this. That's way too short. Yep. Yes, sorry, Bob. It's too short, yes. So what we gotta do is we gotta go over here like this. Now, whoa. Ever seen a boat drift? I wanna see that. Here we go. Woo. Coming inbound, you choose. Ow. Oh. Get our strategy on.
Attention, I need help.
Holy shite. Raymond's high. Back up. Let's go. I'm honestly sunk right here. Son of a bitch.
Team is taking the lead.
Oh, you iceberg. Yep, I'm sunk. Yep, there I go. This round was shiny. Ugh. Just look at the blimp. You see the planes? Those are. I'm the only one sunk on our team. Let's watch the ship sink just together. Oh! Let me go back to my ship. Oh, okay. That didn't take very long, boy. Battle on. Let's keep this gravy train a-rolling. I'll battle for about 20 minutes just to keep it short. And, I will be playing a whole lot more after this video is done. I need to get Friday's video recorded so I can upload it on Friday. I have Friday's video recorded for a farming sim, so I'm good for the next week. I should get Monday. Well, I won't be here to upload it, so depends. Get the rust. Get on rust duty, boys. So we have like 2 over here, and then we got like 5 million over there.
Good game, everyone.
Battle starts.
Good luck and fair seas. Hi, Thunder. I need fire support.
I'm gonna be doing our tech. Look at the blimp right there. Hey,
Good
boy.
luck, everyone.
Woo. What are you doing, that boy?
Thank you.
Well, I need to learn some of these controls. F4.
Many thanks. I need help urgently. Stone the crows.
Stone the crows.
Good luck and fair seas.
Show your ugly faces. Come on. I want to bomb your holes. Let's go. I'm flying it. Look at these tag teamers. Aha! Look at the plates. Jesus. Oh, I hit that ship. Yo! Yo! Wasn't even aiming for him and I got him. Oh, that's way off. Yo, that is awesome. That ship came out of nowhere. RKO out of nowhere. What is happening? Fire at your mom's butthole. This asshole. Yeah, buddy, let's go.
All forces requesting cover.
Slow down. You enemy cruiser. Take it. Oh, hello.
Our team is taking the lead.
Hello, yes. Let's go. Forward. That way, men. And yes. Let's go. I'm yelling a bit too forcefully into my microphone. Much yelling, and I blow everyone's holes in their ears. Hello. Hello! That's way off. That's Iceberg Ridge right there, guys. Can I get anybody? Can I? That's too high. Aw, screw you, buddy. Wrecked your mama's butthole. Better than I normally am. I know. Well, it's at the ground. I don't know what I was shooting there. Bam, 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 bam. Get wrecked. That was terrible. I am too high. Stupid iceberg. Titanic. Fuck. I know I see the rock. It's the rock. Let's get around him. Come on. Fire. Well. the last one? Hey! Yes, I did it! Oh my god. So good. What? Okay. So, I'll do one more battle and then that'll be the video. I did really good. I love this ship. Once, voice is breaking and it's making me triggered. My alarm went off when I was in the middle of the battle. Because I have alarm set for 6:25 just in case I fall asleep when I get home from school. And it wakes me up when I'm at home. I'm like, it goes da-da-da-da-dee, da-da-da-da-dee. I'm like, shoot, I fell asleep. So I get out of bed and I start recording YouTube videos, and then I start doing my homework, and then I take a shower, and then I either eat dinner, very late dinner, and then I go to bed. That's what I do. It's how I do it. Oh, it's snowing. Yeah. I don't know what we're eating for dinner. I called my mom and told her, hey, your stupid Gmail account is being stupid on Steam because I was gonna buy Sims 4, and it was like, screw you.
Good luck, everyone. Good luck, everyone.
So I called her like 4 times, and I'm like, Mom's like, hello. It's like, I'm like, Mom, can you, your stupid email account isn't working. It's like, I'll help you when I get home. So I got in trouble. I gotta call the law, and I was like, okay, bye. And it scared me. I shouldn't call her when I'm done. And this is autopilot. You can set your ship track or whatever.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Too close to that rock. But it'll go off once you take control. So we can fire my voice, jeez. So we can fire like 4. Look at the planes. Those are cool. I need to get a screenshot. Yeah. Those planes are legit. Oh. Where is it?
Autopilot mode disabled.
That's a hit. Yeah! Slow down. Oh, my ears, you hear that? Ringing sound. One bullet. Son of a... One is fast. Yes!
Enemy cruiser destroyed.
Woo! Get your A-news wrecked, buddy. Suck you in it. Oh, 4 freaking bullets. If those miss, I'm mad. Oh, 1 hit him. That's good. 4 bullets. And he missed.
Our victory is in sight.
Oh, that's gonna be a miss. That was close, though. Stop going behind this rock. They're way too high. Stupid rock. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, what are you doing? Get out of the way, you lame brain. Oh, he's... Where's the last ship? Back there. That's not not my fault. He ran into me, so. Ah. He's behind that rock. Okay. There it goes. Ram. Hey! Set on fire. I did a lot of damage. My voice is gonna be broken. Well, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to port, and I will see you guys in the next Farming Simulator video. Peace.